Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Afrocentric Anatomy TV. So here we have the blended butter and the blended sugar, which the butter has to be room temperature, and it's going to go with 3 cups of butter mixed with the 3 cups of sugar, and everything is supposed to be room temperature. And here we're going to add a tablespoon of the lemon extract and a teaspoon of your vanilla extract and mix together. So get that blender and start blending all that goodness together. Just blend, blend, blend. Now guys, we're going to take 3 cups of the Swan's Down cake flour, and we're going to start adding the flour into the mixture very slowly. You do not want to dump all 3 cups of flour into the mixture. It's a gradual situation and it's going to take a little bit of time. So let's add everything in very, very slow. As you can see, it's starting to thicken up, but just keep on blending. But it's coming along really, really good. So just keep on blending, y'all. So now it's time to grab our 1 cup of 7-Up. 1 cup of 7-Up. As you guys can see now, I sprayed the bottom of the pan with some pan spray. Now guys, we're going to pop this into the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes. The cake came out amazing. I really enjoyed this cake, me and the family. I'm not much of a baker. I am a cooker by nature. Baking is really not my thing, but I'm starting to move over into baking now. So I appreciate you guys for watching my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please thumbs up and engage in the comment section and let me know how I did, how you think it looks. Have a great day. Bye.